Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add an eBay gift card at the checkout in just few simple steps. Now let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you are on the home page, add the item you would like to purchase to your cart and click go to checkout. Here I have already added the item in my cart, so I'm going directly to the cart. For that, tap on the cart icon in top right corner and this will open your cart. Now tap and go to checkout. Now on your screen, you can see a payment options. There's PayPal, Google Play and add card. Scroll down and over here you will see a gift card and coupons. Tap on it. Now carefully enter the code from the back of the card. You will find this under the scratch card panel. Once I have entered, click on done. Right now I don't have any gift card with me, but I will guide you through the whole process about how to add it. After adding the code, you will instantly see your gift card balance deducted from the total amount. If there's any remaining balance, you can use another payment method to cover it. And that's it. Using an eBay gift card during a checkout is that simple. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.